I think women are equally capable, just like men, to take higher positions in the society, in the company.
Women taking high position in companies is a very good thing. Men should be happy about it.
I think it's not about men or women. It's about someone who's working hard and putting all their efforts to reach the top position.
I really don't think it makes any sense to have those kind of differentiation between a man and a woman, because if you're only looking at the potential of a candidate, then you do tend to have the best candidate at the best possible position.
I think it completely depends on their aspirations. Some women want to do well in their personal lives, means family lives. Some want to take up top positions and they really do work hard.
Women these days are competing with men as equally as possible. So I don't think so that's not an issue.
It doesn't matter at all.
That's a blessing for a husband. I think a husband should be happy about it.
I think it's absolutely fine.
I think that would be brilliant.
It shouldn't really matter as long as you are all contributing to it.
I think they both should be happy about it and should not bring their egos in between. Rather, should support each other to, so that they both can be successful in their careers and in their professional life.
These days, women are no less than a guy, and they have equal stake in the society, in any company, any organization that they work.
It shouldn't be any kind of an hindrance to find out, okay, the woman is earning more or the man is.
It's all on your understanding and compatibility with your partner.
It depends on their personal relationship and how do they take this in between them.
Said there is no comparison between a man and woman in terms of earning more or less. So whosoever earns more, it's a benefit for everyone, right?
Her parents, her family, and if she is married, then of course her husband.
I don't think there is a woman behind a successful man.
It depends on the partner, how much understanding and compatibility they have mutually.
I think it works both ways. So if a woman is behind a successful man, I think it's vice versa.
For me, I believe my father has equally supported me as my mother has.
You need a guy's support, you need your husband's support, you need your a brother's support, whatever, father's support.
These are the people who look after the family, the house, when she is contributing more towards her professional life.
It is the man who has reached that position all by himself with his efforts, his time. And similarly, when a woman reaches the position that she reaches, it is all her hard work.